ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನ 94ನೇ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತ ಉಚಿತ ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕ ರಕ್ತದಾನ ಶಿಬಿರ ಮಣಿಪಾಲದ ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಜುಬಿಲಿ ಆಡಿಟೋರಿಯಂನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂದು ನಡೆದಿದೆ. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 10:30ಕ್ಕೆ ಆರಂಭವಾದ ಈ ರಕ್ತದಾನ ಶಿಬಿರ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ 3 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೆ ನಡೆದಿದೆ. ಶಿಬಿರದ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನ ಮಹಾಪ್ರಬಂಧಕರಾದ ಭಾಸ್ಕರ್ ಹಂದೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಡಿಜಿಎಂ ಲೀನಾ, ರೀಜನಲ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಸುಜಾತ ಮುಂತಾದವರು ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದರು.
ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿದಂತೆ ದೇಶದ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಮಣಿಪಾಲದಲ್ಲೇ ಹುಟ್ಟಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆದಂಥ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಕಾರಣ ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ TMA ಪೈ, UA ಪೈ ಹಾಗೂ ಅಮ್ಮನ್ ಕುರು ಅವರ ಒಂದು ದೂರದರ್ಶಿತ್ವವೇ ಕಾರಣ. ಅವರ ದೂರದರ್ಶಿತ್ವದಿಂದ ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕು ಇವತ್ತು 94 ವರ್ಷಗಳನ್ನು ಕಳೆದಿದೆ, ಜಯಪ್ರದವಾಗಿ ಕಳೆದಿದೆ. ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ 20, 1925ನೇ ಇಸ್ವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸಿದಂಥ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ 20ರಿಂದ 31 ತಾರೀಕಿನ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ದಿನವನ್ನು ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪನಾ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಆಚರಿಸ್ತೇವೆ. ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪನಾ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಉಚಿತ ರಕ್ತದಾನ ಶಿಬಿರವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಆಯೋಜಿಸ್ತೇವೆ. ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಕಾರವಾಗಿ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಕೂಡ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮಣಿಪಾಲದ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಜುಬ್ಲಿ ಆಡಿಟೋರಿಯಂನಲ್ಲಿ KMC ಮಣಿಪಾಲದ ಒಂದು ಸಹಯೋಗದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಈ ಒಂದು ರಕ್ತದಾನ ಶಿಬಿರವನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತು ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾದ ಸ್ಪಂದನೆ ಇವಾಗಲೇ ಬಂದಾಗಿದೆ. ರಕ್ತದಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ದೇಹದಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಡಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಎನ್ನುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮನೋಭಾವನೆ ಕೆಲವರಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಅದು ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ತಪ್ಪು. ನಿಜವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ರಕ್ತದಾನದಿಂದ ರಕ್ತದ ಒತ್ತಡ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಹೃದಯದ ಮಿಡಿತವಾಗಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಒಂದು ಸಮ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತವೆ.
You are all aware that the blood donation is a part of our Foundation Day celebrations every year, and my greetings to you all on the occasion of Foundation Day. As our GM has rightly said, blood donation is a noble cause, holy cause, and it is also good for the donors. So we are saving the life of a person. So I request all of you to participate in large number and make this event a great success. I also thank Dr. Shami and her team for this social service they are rendering and the entire KMC hospital. Thank you.
To be frank, we were really looking forward to Founders Day of Syndicate Bank because this is the time where we struggle to get the blood donors. It's a festival season, students are having holidays, and the demand for blood is increasing day by day. Routine surgeries and the procedures were going up in Kasturba Hospital, but number of donors who were walking in to donate blood were very few. So thank you all once again. As you all know, blood donation is a harmless procedure. Anyone who is healthy between 18 to 65 years can donate blood at least once in 3 months. So while collecting blood, before collecting blood, we do a lot of tests to ensure that it's safe for the donors and as well as for the patients. So demand for blood is increasing day by day. In a day, we issue around 100-150 units of blood components, but number of donors we get for donation is hardly 10 to 20 units. So as you can see, there is a huge gap between the donors and the demand and the supply. So only with the help of voluntary donors like you all, we will be able to save lives. So you need not be a doctor to save life, donate blood. There are several misconceptions regarding blood donation. The first thing, what you call blood bank, it's not bank. It's a misnomer. We cannot save or store blood forever. It's a living cell. Once you donate blood,
it's a season of festival and hospital is so busy. In spite of that, our bank also is busy, our GM is busy, everybody is busy. But the respect we should pay to our founders. That is, there is no value for it. It should be value and it's much more than whatever our business is. So, amongst all these schedules, our General Manager Bhaskar Andhe sir has organized this in combination with jointly with ROWP Vannantam, and I am extremely thankful to him for this arrangement and encouragement. I am also thankful to General Manager from Registered Office, S.S. Hegde sir, for gracing the occasion and encouraging us. I am also thankful to DJ Madam Veena Petto for her presence. I am extremely thankful and really grateful for Dr. Savi Shastri Madam, who was just when I called her, Madam, okay, we will come, we are doing it every year. You have been doing it in Manipal every year and I know it. When is it? She is asking for me a date. Really thankful to you, Madam. And I think a gesture like from people like Madam.
We have organized this blood donation camp today, as is customary in the past also. Last year also we have organized. There was a very good response. I am pretty sure that this year also there is going to be good response. Though a little bit rain is there outside, maybe little inconvenient for the people, but still I strongly believe that a good number of people will come. The moment I requested Shami, immediately she agreed to provide her support, and the free service they are giving here to us for the collection and the extraction and collection of the blood. I am extremely thankful to Shami and her team here for having come this morning and spending time here for the blood. And as she was just telling me a while ago that today everywhere there is a shortage of blood because blood transfusion cases have become more nowadays. So the people who are healthy, if they give the blood, what the science says is that the blood pressure and the heartbeats, everything will be at a very normal rate. And even HbA1c also will be very comfortable level if the blood is donated. So I request who are here and who will be coming at a later time during the day to give their blood, which is a very precious commodity for the human life. and today it is in a more demand. But if you can see that most of the blood donations are free, it is being done, because it is a corporate social responsibility for everybody to ensure that the needy persons are provided with blood on time. So KMC in Manipal is one of the very famous hospitals who do this kind of very large scale blood bank they have. So I am very thankful to you, and I am extremely thankful to all of you now and who are coming later for donating their blood. So I am sure that our founders will sitting in the heaven, they will be definitely blessing all of us who have given the blood, who have organized this campaign, and they will be very happy because Dr. T.M. Pai himself was a doctor, so who knows the value of the blood. So with these few words, I welcome again Shami and all of you once again for this very precious